Good day, everyone, and welcome to this special announcement by the United Nations. It's an open brief that is calling upon anyone who has creative juices flowing to assist in spreading the correct communication of COVID-19, the coronavirus that has caused a lot of problems across the world. So this is a global call to all the creatives, and it's an open brief. If you want to assist, you can get in touch with the United Nations, and they'll be able to share some of your stuff using their channels, whether it's in the papers or it's on the social media platforms and all the other radio, TV stations. So if you can make a video, if you can make a skit, or a comic, whatever it is that you can do, because at the end of the day, this is the only way that we can actually fight fake news, at the same time informing our people on how to act, how to behave, how to ensure that we all contribute to flattening the curve, so that we reduce infections and encourage people to go for testing if need be. So it's a global call, and the message from Antonio Guterres, who is the UN Secretary General, states this. He says, "We are in an unprecedented situation and the normal rules no longer apply. We cannot resort to the usual tools in such unusual times. The creativity of the response must match the unique nature of the crisis, and the magnitude of the response must match its scale." So we're saying that back in the days, it was all about the UN pushing information to the people. But this time around, they've actually realized that those two creatives sitting somewhere in a bedroom, somewhere in a house under lockdown, have more power than them. So that's why they're coming out and saying, you have the power. You, the people, have the power. So help us help you in killing this disease, So you as a creative, no matter if it's posters, if it's anything, we call upon you to come out and contribute, because someone somewhere is going to benefit from that piece of media that you're going to create. And also try and do it in as many languages as possible, so that we reach all the corners of the globe and make sure that we are saying the same thing in as many languages as possible. Or you don't have to create something new. You can just go onto the WHO website or the Africa CDC, all of those genuine accredited portals, right? And then you get information from there and just translate and share, because at the end of the day, it's all about effective communication. So there are certain themes that are there for the brief that the UN has come out with. And one, you can talk about personal hygiene. You can talk about, 2, social distancing. 3, the knowing the symptoms, right? 4, kindness, contagion. That is, it's easy for us to be mean to each other in times like this, but we're saying, let us spread the love, let us support one another in this time of loneliness in our houses where we are locked down. But at the same time, we shouldn't lose our humanity, our kindness. And then number 5 is myth busting. So whenever you see people coming up with conspiracy theories that are not backed by any data, make a video, say something on social media, share, and that's the way, as a collective, we'll be able to police one another. We'll be able to keep each other accountable, because out of fear, people become unreasonable at times, so that's where the irrationality comes in, because it's being driven by fear. And then if it's mass fear, it can lead to things that are undesirable. So let's bust those myths in the bud, right? And then if you can donate to the WHO, to the UN, or any of the agencies or non-governmental organizations, whichever funds that are out there that are working for the people, then please do. But also be vigilant. Don't just donate to any fund without you verifying whether this fund is genuine, whether they are actually going to disperse the money where it's supposed to go to and use it for the purpose of fighting COVID-19. So let us be vigilant. Let us show each other love. Let us work together, create material, translate material, share videos and stuff like that. As long as we are all working together, we will succeed. We will beat this disease, and we can get back to normalcy. That is the new normal. That is because the world will never be the same again after this particular pandemic. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Wherever you are in lockdown out there, just obey the rules that have been set by whether it's your government or WHO. Stay safe and spread love. Thank you.